Hi again. This video is all about angles. Now before you throw up your hands in horror, I wasn't very good at angles at school. But anyway, it's angles, here we are. So all I can remember is that was 90 degrees, that one. I don't know, what's that, 40 degrees, that one's 100 and, well, I don't know. And you do need to know a little bit about angles. So what may surprise you is that you actually are very, very good at angles because you use them every day and you use them in this clocks. So what we do is, instead of thinking of degrees, which if you're like me, you left that behind in your geometry lesson, you use what you're good at, and that's the clock face, because you use the clock face every day to tell the time. So what you do is, a good idea is to get a piece of acetate or a piece of plastic like that and mark out a clock face. This then, you can, if you can see through it, you can superimpose that on something from which you want to take an angle. Now you've got to keep the 12 o'clock and the 6 o'clock obviously perpendicular, if that's important. And then you read off the angle. So just as an example is that door's open there. So what I do is, and you can do this on, take a piece of furniture, line up, you probably can't see that, I'm lining up this centre on the top of the door, and actually I can read that is almost 9 o'clock. So I can then draw something as almost 9 o'clock. If you go around your house, and I say you must make sure that it's lined up perpendicular, and you'll be able to just read off any angle you want. So some things are 1 o'clock, or they may be almost 1 o'clock, or 4 o'clock, or almost 4 o'clock. And then a good exercise, which without angles you'd be a bit foxed, is to take a bicycle. So if you set up a bicycle in front of you, again you've got this, I'll show you on the drawing how it works. Forget my glasses. So there we are. There, if I put that, that's my perpendicular. You can see the handlebars there join the centre of the spokes at 11 o'clock. Then I want to see what this angle is here. Again, make sure that's straight. And I can see that that angle there is just past 1 o'clock. If I want this angle here, and you can see, and so on and so on, you just go round and you read off the times of the clock. And that will help you find angles. Eventually, you'll just be able to read them without this. You'll be able to look at a piece of furniture and you'll think, oh yes, that's 20 to 2. And so clock angles is a very useful tool to have. Thank you very much.